Growth is the symbol of life. As a human being, we should grow both materially and spiritually. And every growth has its own saturation point. And this saturation point for human life is liberation. So in this video, we'll talk more about what is liberation, and maybe we'll first define what is liberation, and we'll give a couple of examples so that we'll be able to understand what is liberation from material point of view. Then we'll show what are the methods are there to get the liberation. The first point is we need to define it. So what is liberation? So liberation is basically freedom from the birth and death cycle of life. So we know that there is birth, rebirth and all these stuffs. So for that we are getting birth, and we are again, every life has its death, so we are going to die and again we will rebirth and all these stuffs. So why all this birth and rebirth? So let's take an example of maybe some course, school or college students, everybody, it would be applicable for all the people. So whenever we are going for any course, so we know, okay, this course, it will take 6 months or 1 year or 2 years or like that. And we know what are the things we are going to cover as part of this course. So we know that, okay, this semester we cover this, next semester we have to cover other parts, and third semester we have to cover another part. And once the course is over, then we no need to go for that same class. Either we are go to the upper class or we will go for the job or anything else. But we don't go to the same class again and again. So that is also applicable for our human life. Whenever we took birth, the moment we come to this material world, we have already some wants and all. So we expect, okay, we should this birth, okay, I'll do these are the things I have to do in this birth. I need this like car, I need a house, I need these things or that things. We try to fulfill our wishes, but sometimes that wishes, there is no ending of that wish. So that is the reason we in the next birth we start from that point. But the moment we'll get used to with these things, gradually our attachment towards the material world, it will reduce. So the moment we don't have any requirement from the material world, so like whenever you have finished all your courses from an university, you no need to go to that university again. So the same is applicable here. So whenever we don't have any requirement from this material world, so we no need to come back to material world. So after that there is no birth and rebirth. That is completely liberation for human life. So if you see, after this completing of course, we don't think about anything about that course. We know we finished that. So whenever we don't need anything from the material world, so we no need to come back to the material world. So this is basically liberation, whatever we learn. And how to get this liberation? So there are different techniques are there. So first of all, if you see as a human being in our day-to-day lives, so we know that. So if somebody is 30 years or 40 years, he has been taking food thrice a day for 30 years or 40 years, but he didn't used to those foods. Still people are there where they are like, I don't like this food, I don't like that food, but daily thrice you are taking the food. You should be used to it. The more used to you be to this material world, so the more less attachment will come. And when the attachment will be less in this material world, then you will go to the higher level. And that is the first point. You are going towards the right direction for the liberation. So the moment will come when you don't have any requirement from the material world, and that is called the liberation come. I hope you have understood the topic. If required, we will try to cover the exact techniques like breathing and meditation techniques to minimize our thoughts. Please stay tuned.